Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking. I wanted to show you something that I got in the mail today. This is the new dust chute from one guy in a shop. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside. All right, let's go open it up. We got our instructions, a little bit of paper, and our dust chute. Guys, this thing is incredible. Let's go ahead and get it installed. Now we're going to align this right to the bottom edge of our liquid-cooled spindle. All right, there you have it. The dust chute is assembled and ready to go to work. One of the best parts about the dust chute is that it's adjustable up and down. Let's see why that's important. If we're using a normal router bit or one that's shorter, you can leave it in the upper position. We can take off this brush and quickly adjust and lock in our cutter, snap it back into place. You notice that our cutter is about flush with the brushes. If we're using a longer cutter, then we're going to want to have the dust chute adjusted into its lower position. Notice right now in the upper position, the cutter is well below the brushes. But when we loosen this up and slide it down, now you're collecting dust at the level of that router bit, making this dust chute much more effective, better efficiency, and just keeping your shop a little bit cleaner. Thank you guys for spending the time with me and learning a little bit more about the dust chute from one guy in a shop. Check out his website in the link below. Get that dust chute and keep your shop just a little bit cleaner. Thanks. We'll see you guys in the next one.